Achieving profit targets are getting more and more difficult, with challenges such as translating the RGM strategies to the point of sales and user adoption with outdated tools. But RGM transformation can maximize your returns with hyper personalization solutions, agile workflow, predictive capabilities, and innovative user interfaces. There are a number of data science solutions within pricing and promotion analytics that can help drive higher ROI. Our pricing analytics solutions can optimize your pack price structure with the power of advanced analytics to address the challenges such as increasing profit pressure, complex product interactions, and limited time to react to evolving market dynamics. We offer an end-to-end pricing simulator equipped with artificial intelligence capabilities to handle all sort of pricing decisions from strategic to tactical. With our suite of offering, you can diagnose and look for opportunities such as white space, affordability, and premiumness with our unique frameworks. You can also understand the product interactions in depth to make more profitable pricing decisions with effective catcher plans. You can also learn about shopper preferences and their purchase decisions to strengthen your market position in the most important market segments and get inputs for more attractive product shelf placements. Our offerings also include dynamic price elasticity to understand the impact of price change in immediate to long term instead of a single elasticity aggregated number. Our pricing simulator, which is one-stop solution for all pricing analytics and decision, offers a number of analysis such as price elasticity, purchase structure, scenario management and building options, and some unique features such as price bracket, where you can identify the most important price points in the market along with the detailed analysis of industry and your position. Our product interaction view let users identify the source and destination of volume transfers at all granularities to minimize the volume loss driven by price increase. Within the simulator, users can create scenarios very quickly with all sort of user-friendly options such as price change summary, next optimal price points, and the mass increase on the complete portfolio. In the scenario output summary screen, users can get the results of various scenarios at various levels and granularities of portfolio and customer hierarchies, and they can also benchmark these scenarios and download the results in Excel. Our promotion analytics suite can maximize the returns with artificial intelligence equipped solutions to address challenges like lower efficacy of ever increasing trade spends, data quality and management, and the struggle to align large retail chains for executing promotions at point of sales level. Our promotion toolkit includes solutions for post-event analytics, what-if simulations, promotion optimization, and promotion personalization. With the post-event analytics, you can identify the opportunities of relocating the investments, redesigning the mechanics, and push the strategic priorities such as new product development in much better way, and choose the right promotions for every customer group. Our algorithms can adjust for pantry loading and internal cannibalization to provide you true uplifts and ROIs. Also, we have deeper understanding of product interactions to plan your promotions better. And with the strategic views, you can benchmark promotion performance to select the win-win mechanics and the highest ROI discount depth. With our what-if simulators and optimizers, you can estimate the expected uplifts and ROIs of your promotion plans. With our promotion optimizer, you can build the promotion plans and promotional calendars for maximized returns on the given budgets. Our cutting-edge promotion personalization solution can prioritize and customize the promotion for every single one of your point of sales to collect every penny of profit. It connects with your direct to customer platforms, your Salesforce application and such systems to make the recommendations directly accessible to the right audience, along with the customized selling stories for every point of sales and promotion combination. Also, our simulators and tools can directly be operated through chatbots. For example, you can ask our virtual analyst Beagle questions like, what would be the impact of price change of a particular product? And it will provide you with the answers in the conversational user experience. It has helped a number of our clients to drive user adoption and providing them with significant edge in their digital and RGM transformational journey. We have deployed RGM solutions around the world with more than $1 billion of value created in hundreds of engagements.